Hello everybody, greetings from Murphy, California. Came here to go to the Mercer Caverns, but they were closed, so I'm gonna do a walking tour of this historic town. But here's Murphy's Poorhouse, craft beer, tap room, and sandwich shop. Give you a quick view of what's inside there. Driving up to this place, it's about 15 minutes from Angel's Camp. Saw a lot of wineries, a lot of tasting rooms and stuff like that. Across the street here is Murphy's house on Main. And then across is the Union Public Utility District. And I'll post some more videos shortly. So I am on the south side of the street now. This is the Twisted Oak Tasting Room and Gift Shop. I think this place doesn't really open up until about noontime because of all the wine tasting and places. Interesting building here. It says Native Sons of the Golden West. Okay, back on the north side of the street, and here's Murphy's Grill. And it looks like Nelson's Candy is next to it. Looks like, see, one of the places here says Joe Ma's Artesian Ice Cream Shop. Looks like they're just setting up. Another wine tasting place across the street, Newsom Harlow Wines. Murphy's Village Toy Store. The Victoria Inn Restaurant and Bar. Murphy's Mall has a Domain winery. Murphy's Irish Pub.
Am I sitting up here, Henry? Henry's down there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
There's the Murphy's Irish Pub. So here is the historic Murphy's Hotel and the starting point of the walking tour, which is at Main Street and Algiers Street. So here is the front of the Murphy's Hotel. We'll go inside later. They say they got a lot of historic photographs. Here is the dining area of the hotel. If I'm still in this town at lunchtime, which it almost is, I may try their Western bacon or their Western burger, which look pretty good on the menu. Across the street from the dining area is another, it says a Steve Knott tasting room, an area bakery, and Suzanne's, I can't see it, I think it says Silk and Style. There's champagne and brews called Pop the Bubbly. And then next to it is called I guess that's Marisola Tasting Bar. Art on Main. And the Thorpe Plaza. I'll get back here and see if we can get a bigger picture of this. It's called the ECV Wall of Cool Comparative Ovations. It's got all these people etched on this wall. I'll get closer and so we can see who. This guy here is Ben R. Dixon, born 1892 to 1970. Educator, historian, author, co-founder of Squeebob chapter Uncle Ben. On the north side of the street, heading east. So the next stop on the walking tour after the Murphy's Hotel, it says there is a Murphy's Jail. So this is the Murphy's Jail. Come down here and take a look inside. Third stop on the walking tour is Murphy Park. So here's Murphy Park, established in 1948. So this is Murphy's Creek, which runs through Murphy's Park and continues on the other side. I am at the Ebbets Pass Veterans Memorial. So the next two spots on the walking tour is James Inks' house at 577 and the John McQuigg house at 593. So here's 593. If you look, it's back there in the back. here's the other house, 577. Okay, as we walk back up toward the Murphy's Historic Hotel, you'll see some cottages here that I think are available for rent. So it's right near the creek and a lot of the wine tasting areas. So this is called Murphy's Vacation Rentals, daily and weekly accommodations. Here's the Parkside Cottage.